So now after downloading this WordPress, you need to extract. How we can extract this thing? Click on right here, extract, which I have already done. I have extracted the WordPress. Here you can see two folders. One is the front folder, another one is this WordPress, right? So what I am going to do here, I am going to copy this WordPress. I'm copying here WordPress. Anyone can join till now. Anyone can join. Right? Inform the other students. So it is take some time to copying. We have to wait. You can see the size of this small, but files are so many, so it takes some time. So you all can see how many files we have. Just first understand the concept. After that, I'm going to upload all the recordings on YouTube. Right? I'm going to upload the recording on YouTube, right? So you all can access, right? I'm going to make one folder where you can see, right? All the things. So we have three sessions in first day. So I'm going to upload all 3 sessions for the first day. Here I can see now you all can see I have 3 recordings. So all the recordings are there. So I'm going to upload right away, right? So it takes few minutes. Now it's done. So right now I'm log out the cPanel. Now here you can write localhost/WordPress. Right? When you are going to write here WordPress, our URL becomes WordPress, right? So you can change what you all are going to do here. You all are going to do XAMPP htdocs. This is a folder where your WordPress or PHP files are going to install. This is a WordPress. Here I'm going to change the name. Yes, Megha, any query if you have? I'm going to change the name of this WordPress. Here I'm going to write shop online. So why I'm going to use shop online? Because e-commerce websites are going to provide all the features of the basic WordPress, right? So this is my URL. Here I'm going to write localhost /shop online. Again, the URL is this WP admin. This is the first. Same thing you can do. You can directly upload your WordPress in cPanel if you don't want to install it with the help of software. Same procedure you can use. Continue. Right. So the first thing you can see here, database name, username, password, host. You all need to write. You all need to do. So for this, what you can do here, PHP, this URL, localhost PHP my admin, localhost PHP my admin. This is a steps. So here you can see all the databases where I am going to start. So now let's start. Let's go here. I'm going to write one database name. Here I'm going to write database DB shop online. Username admin, password is admin 123 hash. Right? Table prefix. Right now I'm going to submit. Now see, we are having error. Database is not able to connect. Why so? Because we have to create here. Create the database name DB shop online. DB shop online. We need to, if database is not established, what we are going to do? We are going to write here DB create database. This is the step in localhost only, not on a live server. In live server, it is automatically created. Right? DB shop online is there. Now go back. Now click on submit. Let's go. DB shop online. Localhost. Now here you can see again your connection is not established. Here you have created the database, right? Shop online. Now second thing, you need to see this file vpconfig.php file, because database is going to establish in this file. So how we can deal with this? Go to this shop online. For database connectivity, we need to go inside this shop online website. Here you can see this is the vpconfig sample. Click here, open this file. This is the code you can see. Here you can define the database name, define .db username, define DB password. So database name is in single quotes shop, no, DB shop online. Password is admin and the password is admin 123 hash. Save this file, close. Only 3 steps you need to do. You need to add database name, admin, username and the password. to connect the database. Here we have written database name, user database name, your database password, and the localhost. Submit now. Once again, I am going to start localhost shop online